Hi, Math 2. The first special right triangle I want us to talk about is my 30, 60, 90 triangle, which we also call the half equilateral triangle, as we looked at in class. Now, when I'm working with 30, 60, 90 degree triangles, the lengths of the sides are always going to follow a pattern, so I won't need to use trig functions or Pythagorean theorem to solve for the missing values. I know that the leg, which is opposite the 30-degree angle, will always be my shortest side. And we're going to call that side length x. I know that the side opposite my 90-degree angle will always be my longest side, my hypotenuse, and that is always going to be 2x. And then the side opposite of 60 degrees will always be the short length times the square root of 3. So I could also look at the side lengths and say, oh, the side opposite of 30 is my short leg. My hypotenuse is 2 times the short leg. And my missing side length, my long leg, is always going to be my short leg times the square root of 3. So what might this look like? There's a couple different ways it could end up looking. Here's one example. Let's say I give you this right triangle that I draw here. And we know it's a right triangle because I marked that right angle. And I'm going to tell you this base angle is 60 degrees. And my hypotenuse is equal to 12. I want to look at this triangle and compare it to what it looks like in my reference triangle that I have up top. And I notice that that side length I've marked 12 is the hypotenuse, which corresponds to 2x. So 12 equals 2x. I'm going to solve for x by dividing both the left and the right by 2 and get that 6 equals x. But what is x? Oh, hey, x is my short leg, the leg which is opposite of 30 degrees. And I know that I can identify my top angle, as 30 degrees because 30 plus 60 plus 90 is 180. So I look across from the 30-degree angle, x equals 6. But then there's the question, well, how do I find my long leg? Well, I know that that long leg is equal to x times the square root of 3, which in our case is 6 root 3. And there you have it, 30, 60, 90 special right triangles.